Robert Roberson's defense attorney asked for a new trial back in February, and that has not been decided yet. She told me that the case is so flawed they were able to find new challenges to the shaken baby argument that the court is considering.
The execution date was set just last week, and we objected to the setting of a date because we have a pending appeal sitting at the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, which is a higher court.
That's Gretchen Swen, defense attorney for death row inmate Robert Roberson.
Why should a lower court be setting an execution date to put pressure on a higher court, which has been considering this overwhelming body of evidence of innocence since February?
You may remember Roberson was convicted in 2003 for the shaken baby death of his 2-year-old daughter, Nikki. His attorneys say she died from complications of severe pneumonia at the hospital, and the finding of shaken baby syndrome was based on what is now considered junk science.
We have been trying since 2016 to rely on that very noble law that was enacted in 2013 to help people just like Robert.
Last year, a bipartisan group of state lawmakers stopped his execution by issuing a subpoena for him to appear before their committee after his execution date. He ended up not testifying, but lawmakers say his execution might violate Texas's junk science law. It says if a conviction is based on what's later proven to be junk science, the conviction must be put aside. Still, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton requested his execution date be set, and last week a state judge agreed. Roberson is now scheduled to die by lethal injection on October 16th.
So the current execution date is about 3 months away, a little less than 3 months away. Would that not be enough time for the court to consider and make a decision?
They've had the new appeal since February. So if this is something that could be done quickly, they would have already thrown it out or already granted a new trial.
The defense is also asking for oral arguments in front of judges in order to answer their questions. Swen says she will be visiting with Roberson next week face-to-face in prison. Reporting at the Court of Criminal Appeals, Adele Uchida, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.